This is within 10 minutes of the boat was going up in fire. Absolute disaster. This is exciting stuff. That boat has taken 10 minutes to go from a smoulder to that. Destroy boats next door. We've just pulled out. This is now 10 minutes after the fire started. Staggered out of bed. We were just trying to save their boat, and now the boat that you can see in front of us, well, that's our boat, was right beside that. So the main culprit is a little boat in between these two big ones that you can see on fire. The response team of the Spanish is up to par, I'd say. Took them about 10 minutes to get here, and they're probably about 5 minutes away, but now the rest of the army's turned up, thank God. But unbelievable stuff. Unbelievable, man. These things go up quick. Take on it.
Oh man, I'm just lucky I was awake.
Tom's up at Sparrow's fart. Unbelievable. That could have been us.
How fast they went up. It's just amazing how fast it spread from one boat to the next.
It happens that quick. It's like they say, just she goes. That's where we were, right in between. We were the 4th boat down. So we got out of there. We got out of there. Crazy, crazy. What's cooking? That's unbelievable stuff.
The other boat, I'm looking at the sailboat there next to him.
You can't breathe now?
Yeah.
It's go time. It's time to go.
He may have jumped in the water. Oh, he's casting off. He's casting off. They're out of there. Yeah. They're just going to get smoked.
We're keeping the embers down.
Yeah.
Hang on, we've got the boys on. Who are we going on to? Three Sisters?
We're going on Three Sisters.
Boat's about to sink. It's on its last probably 10 minutes of life. And that would have been us next.
Yeah, the first white boat down there, it looks like it's in good shape. That sailboat's gone.
Gone.
Wow.
3 boats have disappeared below the waterline. All over in about an hour and a half.